Okay, now it's time to have some explanation. Much earlier in my years, I had dropped everything to join my sister in Belgium. At that time, I was living in an old attic that I had cleaned and furnished. At that moment, I started dreaming of having a place that could be mine, a place where I could destroy, build, create and renovate. In my bed, looking at the old wooden ceiling, made of old beams and planks of wood, I enjoyed dreaming. It was much later, after saving for decades, that the dreams finally began to take shape. Before, settling down somewhere was out of the question, but now the time had come. Old age, when accepted, is simply the path to the stillness and calm. The bubbling favor of youth gradually cools to find its balance and stability. So, now with my girlfriend we bought this old house in the south of France for a real cheap price. The place was abandoned for more than 10 years. I will tell you more on the next episode if you are interested. Let us know in the comments. Our main goal is to be more self-sufficient, to get less impact on the environment. On the other hand, we want to spend the minimum amount of money to work the minimum amount of time. So, to do so, because we want to live off the grid, we will start the renovation process with no electricity connection and no water connection. We have only a 500 watt battery and a 50 watt panel. No skills and no use of oil and machines. Only using basic tools like a drill and so on, running on 12-volt batteries. By the way, this episode represents 2 weeks of work. If you have any question about the house or anything else, feel free to ask. Anyway, on each episode we are going to do a small explanation of a question that you might ask. So each video gonna concern a special topic or a question. If you like what we do, you can like the video and subscribe to be sure that you will not miss any episode of this renovation. Next time we will continue the renovation of the last floor, so more plastering and more work to do.